Hi guys, I've had some nice comments about my paper plane launcher that I did, I think it was a couple of years back. So I thought I'd print one off and have another go with it, because I can't find the original. So we'll see how we get on. Hi guys, had some very positive comments about one of my old videos, a paper plane launcher. It's in my Put a Rubber Band on It channel, because we put a rubber band on it to launch paper aeroplanes. So we have a slot up through there, little hole there, pivot to go through, or pin, and then a washer to go on the other side. And what I'll actually do is heat something up and just melt that down on there to hold it in place. Then rubber band connects at the front, over there. I'll show you, obviously. And then when you pull the trigger, it just pushes the rubber band up over the lip there, and the paper plane, which is in the slot, shoots out. I've just noticed the printer's gone a little bit funny just there, but I think it will still work. So I'll melt that over, put a rubber band on it, and we'll make a paper plane. There we go, just melted that down flat. Right, that goes over there. Yeah, I'm going to have to trim that a bit where that's gone funny. Over there, and then to release, that's simple, and the rubber band, the paper plane sits in the slot. Right, I'll just trim that up, even though it worked anyway. I'll just trim it. We'll just make a very simple dart-shaped paper plane, I think. Obviously, you can make them as fancy as you like. Let's just fold a little bit back to give us a bit of nose weight. Didn't get that fold very straight. Good start, Grandad. Never mind. This is only for demonstration purposes. I'm not trying to break any records. That ought to do. Yeah, that'll do. Right, this is not a test of the paper plane, it's a test of the launch mechanism. Rubber band over the top, over those two posts there, and down on the back. Then paper plane sits in the slot. When we push this lever up, it pushes the rubber band over the top there, hits the back of the paper plane and launches it. That worked. Obviously, the more powerful your rubber band, the faster it's going to launch. I'll point it up a little bit this time. Yeah, that works. I suppose I could try and hit the camera with it. Unlikely, but I could try. That will have to do. I've actually put 2 rubber bands on instead of just 1 to give us extra power. That causes the back of the paper plane to collapse. It gets crushed. So I've actually put some sticky tape around there to strengthen it. Just a layer of sticky tape. So it's not getting crushed quite so badly. So the more powerful the rubber band, the more likely you are to damage your paper plane. But then that's very thin paper, so a thicker plane would be stronger. Okay, job done.